So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So here are some basic YouTube settings that you need to do. So first of all, go to your YouTube Studio. So after going for YouTube Studio, you will be getting your dashboard like this. So after getting your dashboard, you can just see the settings option. Okay, I'm just zooming it. So just click on settings option. You will be getting a pop-up like this. So you can just see many options are appearing right here. In general, we are having currency units. So if you are an Indian, select INR. If you are an American, you need to select USD. So these are some basic details. As I am an Indian, I am going to select INR. Okay, this is the first setting that you need to do. And coming to the second option, channel, click on that. So you'll be getting again some basic options. So in this, it is asking you that which country in basic info. Select that. If you are an Indian, just select India. So, and these all are the keywords that which supports your channel to be in first. Okay, I'll be telling you all these keywords in the next video. So stay tuned to my channel. So these are very important to get your channel very quick to monetization. So coming to the advanced settings, you can just see, do you want to set your channel make for kids? So as YouTubers know this, regularly while we upload a video, they will be asking that is it for kids or not. Okay, so because the basic option will be set is I want to review the settings for every video. So if it is not a kids channel, so just keep on no, it's not for kids channel, so that you cannot give for every video. You don't want it to give any video. Okay, so auto generated captions. So in this auto generated captions, some inappropriate words will be generated. So if you just click on tick mark on the checkbox, so these inappropriate words will not be appeared on your screen. And coming to the feature eligibility, there are nothing to be changed. And now coming to upload defaults. So whenever you upload your video, some basic details will be asked for every video. So if it is having some basic details, that is, if you wanted to give only the same thing for every video, then you can just have it. So for every description of video, I'll be giving my introduction. So like this. So I'll be just giving in the description. So yes, if you just give it here, it will be not asking for you for the rest of the videos. Just give it once and you'll not be asking for the rest of this videos. So, and now coming to the visibility, make it sure that you should set to private and then you can just set it to public. Okay. And coming to the tags also, for every video we'll have some common tags, right? So that is our channel tag will be there. So give your channel name. And coming to the advanced settings, so according to yourself, you'll be having some certain language for every video, right? For my sake, English India. So this is the video language that I said because I don't want it to set it through every videos. Okay, so this is the thing, the basic details. And you can also see users can rate, like they can just watch how many likes and dislikes also. So I'll be just keeping it like that. And now coming to the community option, you can just see a moderator. So this is nothing but the supporters of our channel. Okay, and you can also see approved users. So in comment sessions, we'll be getting lot of comments and some comments will be going into the spam. So if you just give the channel name of theirs, whenever they post a comment, there will be automatically approved of that particular user. So give that particular username or the channel link. And if you can also hidden users. Okay, so if anyone or giving a bad comments, this is also best part to hidden. So if they keep regular bad comments, if you just hide them, it will automatically will not be appeared on your video. And blocked words. So this is nothing but you'll be having lots of bad comments. So it is very common. So some basic words will be used most probably, so give those words. If those type of words are in the comments, they will be automatically removed. And you can also block the links. So many people will be uploading their links in our video comment section, so you can just click on the checkbox and just block your links. Okay, so I'm coming to the defaults. This nothing but it is as usual. Okay, and now click on save. These are the basic settings that you need to give on your YouTube videos. So yes, it is saved, and that's it for this session. This is Jahnavi signing out.